In today's video, we're making Minecraft cake number 2, the ever-popular Steve and Creeper cubed. Links to the Chicken Jockey and Steve's Lava Chicken videos will be in the description below. First, stack your cake and icing layers into a cube shape. Cover with green fondant, clay. Smooth out all of the folds. You'll have this almost perfect looking cube that measures about 1.5 inches. Now here's the basic process in a nutshell. Roll out your clay. I use the first setting on my pasta machine. Apply each clay color over the cube in the Minecraft grid pattern for both Steve and Creeper's faces. Cut out circles with a number 7 Wilton piping tip. This will ensure uniformity of each of the dabs of buttercream you see me forming here. Using my needle tool, I'm just creating lines in each of the rolled mini balls to mimic the look of a piped buttercream rosette. This is where, if you're anything like me, your hyper-focused ADHD will come in handy. Because we'll be doing this over and over, and yep, patience. But don't worry, I won't bore you with all of that. So let's pick up the pace. Steve. And now we change color palettes for the creeper. Same technique, over and over. If you are still with me, hey, congratulations, you might have ADHD too. Nah, but all kidding aside, this is definitely a tedious project, but totally worth it, don't you think? I mean, come on, so cute. Absolutely worth the carpal tunnel. Let's cut it. I think it was marble cake and chocolate icing, right? So let me know in the comments below if you make this. And what would you like to see me make next? If you liked this video, please let me know by hitting that button and subscribing. Appreciate you. See you in the next one.